The Gir forest is noted for its answer A. Loin Sanctuary. What name does Brahmaputra take as it discharges into the Bay of Bengal? Answer D. Meghna. On which river bank Kota is located? Answer A. Chambal. Among the following, which one is related to Blue Revolution in India? Answer C. Pisciculture. Which state is rich in jute? Answer A. West Bengal. Which Indian state is the leading cotton producer? Answer A. Gujarat. The Hindustan-Tibet road connecting Shimla with Gatok in western Tibet passes through. Answer C. Shipki La Pass. The southernmost range of India is? Answer C. Cardamom. Which state is famous for step wells? Answer B. Gujarat. Which one of the following is the most important source of energy in rural areas of India? Answer C. Biogas. Sivasamudra is an island formed by river. Answer D. Kaveri. Diego Garcia is an island in the Dash Ocean. Answer B. Indian. Consumption of chemical fertilizer is the highest in? Answer C. Punjab. Which of the following is not a cause of low productivity in Indian agriculture? Answer A. Cooperative farming. Where is the shore-based steel plant located? Answer C. Visakhapatnam. Which of the following is largely used in textile industries in India? Answer A. Cotton. Bhilai in the state of Chhattisgarh is famous for the industry of? Answer A. Iron and steel. Saramati is the highest peak of? Answer C. Naga. Which one of the following areas is noted for mangrove vegetation? Answer B. Sajne-Kali forest of South 24 Parganas. Which of the following upland is not a part of the Telangana plateau? Answer A. Aravalli. In annular pattern rivers flow? Answer C. Like a ring. Severe drought is called when? Answer B. Shortage of annual rainfall by more than 80%. In India, rainforests are found in? Answer C. Any Himalayas and Western Ghats. Which of the following projects supplies electricity to the Rourkela steel plant? Answer B. Hirakud Dam project. Which of the following industries most closely approximate the perfectly competitive model? Answer D. Wheat farming. The shipbuilding yard Musgon Dock is located at? Answer D. Mumbai. Which of the following is the largest biosphere reserve of India? Answer D. Gulf of Mannar. Bangladesh was established as an independent nation after Indo-Pakistan War of? Answer D. December 1971. Which one of the following is known as the coffee port of the world? Answer B. Santos. The power plant at Manikaram based on geothermal energy is located in the state of? Answer C. Himachal Pradesh. Dash is not a nuclear power center. Answer A. Chamera. Which of the following state does not border on Myanmar? Answer B. Assam. Pie diagram is the best example of the representation of. Answer C. Land use. The burst of monsoon in the month of June brings rain to. Answer B. Kerala and southern coast of Tamil Nadu. Which of the following state known as the traditional region for tank irrigation? Answer C. Tamil Nadu. Which one of the following is not a union territory? Answer D. Tripura. The first biosphere reserve in India has been established in. Answer B. Nilgiri. In India, according to the 2001 census, the female literacy rate is. Answer B. 54.16. In India, Dhariwal and Ludhiana towns are famous for. Answer B. Woolen textiles. When was the first National Forest Policy issued by the Government of India? Answer A. 1952. The Central Marine Fisheries Research Institute is located at. Answer A. Cochin. Which river is under dispute involving Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Gujarat? Answer B. Narmada. Saddle Peak is the highest peak of Andaman and Nicobar Island is located in. Answer D. North Andaman. Which statement regarding special economic zones is incorrect? Answer A. They are not exempted from the application of labor law. Which of the following state was previously known as NEFA? Answer B. Arunachal Pradesh. Diu is an island of. Answer C. Gujarat. The standard time of a country differs from the GMT is multiples of. Answer C. Half hour.